Point your phone camera at your TV remote and press a button. You may see a light flashing on your phone screen, but your eyes cannot see it. That light is infrared and invisible to us, yet it is used all around you. The electromagnetic spectrum runs from radio to gamma rays, with infrared sitting just beyond red. Infrared has longer wavelengths than visible light, and NASA divides it into near, mid, and far regions. Our eyes are like a radio receiver tuned to only a small part of the electromagnetic spectrum. Infrared lies outside the range our eyes can detect. Who discovered it? In 1800, astronomer William Herschel investigated how much heat came from different colors of sunlight. He passed sunlight through a prism to create a rainbow and placed thermometers in the different colors. The temperature rose as he moved toward the red end of the spectrum. He then placed a thermometer just beyond the red region where there was no visible light. Surprisingly, the temperature was even higher, and that is how Herschel discovered infrared radiation. Objects with temperature emit electromagnetic radiation, including infrared. The amount and wavelength distribution of that radiation depends strongly on temperature. For example, the human body, a warm cup of tea, or a fire all emit infrared radiation. As an object gets hotter, its peak emission shifts towards shorter wavelengths, and very hot objects can glow visibly. How is infrared produced? How do we use infrared? Infrared can also be produced artificially using devices such as infrared LEDs and lasers. That is exactly what happens in many TV remotes, where an electrical signal drives an infrared LED into pulses received by the TV. An IR LED sends coded pulses to your television to tell it what to do. Thermal cameras detect infrared radiation and convert it into images representing temperature differences. Infrared detection enables night vision, so cameras and goggles can see warm objects in low visible light. Satellites use infrared sensors to study vegetation, soil fires, and Earth's surface temperature. Space telescopes use infrared to peer through dusty regions of space that block visible light. Some phone cameras can detect near infrared, which is why you can sometimes see a remote IR LED through a camera. Not every smartphone behaves the same because manufacturers may use infrared blocking filters. So infrared is not just the invisible light from your TV remote. It comes from the warmth of your body, helps thermal cameras see in darkness, and allows satellites to study Earth. It even helps space telescopes see through dusty regions of the universe. William Herschel discovered infrared more than 200 years ago, and today we are surrounded by it, invisible to your eyes but incredibly useful to technology. Follow the Curious Tech for more amazing science and technology explained simply.